Lunchtime! Are you ready for lunch? What are you having?
Sure, pizza. I mean, I don't have time to heat up the oven or anything, so.
Okay. Wait, what are you doing? Why did you put it on for 13 minutes and 37 seconds?
It smells elite.
Elite?
Yeah, like elite. Like it's top of the line. It's awesome. It's gonna be great. Don't worry about it.
But, okay, whatever.
Don't worry about it.
What the?
What?
My pizza turned into crackers.
How did you do that? Let me.
Do they taste like pizza?
No, it tastes like wheat thins.
What?
I'll put these back. Maybe I'll get something else.
Oh, you're putting them on for 13:37 again?
13:37. I mean, that's what we did before. So.
No, come on. No. Oh. Did you just go off again? Mm-hmm. Okay. That's
No. Well, what is that?
Yeah, graham crackers.
graham crackers.
Yeah.
Graham crackers.
How?
Tastes like graham crackers.
Try it.
They don't taste like pizza.
No, it's not pizza, but might as well keep going, right?
Yeah, let's keep going.
Yeah. Throw it back in there.
Let's see what they turn into now.
Let's start.
Alright, what do we got now?
What is that?
Chips.
Chips.
How do you
How do you
get chips from graham crackers?
Regular flavor. I don't know. It must just escalate in goodness. I mean, depending on your taste.
Well, this is pretty good.
Yeah. Graham crackers into chips.
We can get better than this, right?
Yeah.
We can get better, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's totally logical only.
Let's give it a shot.
I mean, chips are pretty bland, right? Maybe we'll get like sour cream and onion or something.
That'd be cool.
Yeah.
Alright. Time for the big reveal. What? What is it?
What?
What are they?
We've got Doritos.
Doritos?
What?
What?
Corn.
Oh my god, yes.
Not great, right?
Leak is
No.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna put it back.
Mark.
That's gonna be awesome.
Mark.
It's gonna be great.
Mark.
Mark.
No. Listen. You can't get any better than Doritos.
Newton's fifth law. You can never make Doritos better. No matter the flavor.
But the microwave is magical.
no.
No, the microwave can do anything.
Mark, you don't understand. We have been given a gift.
No, the
It's a
microwave
law.
can do
It's a
anything.
law.
Mark,
It can do anything.
Mark,
It can do anything.
No!